Hi, I'm Jamie from Albert Group Pools and Patios. On almost every sales call, I get asked what I feel about the Leisure Pools brand of pool. I've been using them since 2007. Of course, I love them, but I think it means a whole lot more coming from someone who spent their hard-earned money on the pool. I'd like you to hear Sandy and Mike talk about how they feel about their leisure pool. Let's see it.
Hello, I'm Mike Solage. This is my wife, Sandy Solage. We're here in Briarcliff Manor, New York.
And this is our pool.
I met you during, it was September 2019. We were thinking about doing the pool. And I was just browsing the web and came across, we had a gun night pool in the previous house. We had a liner pool in the previous house, and we wanted something different. When I researched it online, I came across your website, and there was a demonstration in North Salem where it took us through the whole process. And I was instantly said, this is what I want right here. And it's the same exact pool that they actually did in North Salem, your company. Well, I contacted you and we set a date. You came out almost, I think it was maybe 4 days later immediately, and we sat in our kitchen and we discussed the different shapes, the different sizes, the time, when we could possibly start.
I think it was like probably that same week, the next weekend, that we went both together and we met you on site at another project. And I think that really solidified the deal because we saw the guys working, we saw the pool, under construction.
We also spoke to the homeowner, and he was 100, he had the same sentiments. He met you, you went over the numbers, went over the design on your laptop, showed him everything like you did to us, and then I just said that I've seen enough and it's exactly what we wanted. Everything was great. And I think the next day we just signed up and, you know, left a deposit for the pool. The one thing is, whenever I called or needed any kind of insight, Jamie always called me right back with any questions I may have had. You know, even before they started to dig, you know, wait, can I just talk to you about this? I got the call back immediately, which I really like, because I'll be honest with you, in the past when we dealt with other pool companies, it took forever for someone just to get back to us. So I thought that was commendable, and that helped us, you know, in our decision as well. And people think we're crazy. They're like, no way. I said 100%. 11 days after they dug and the pool was in the ground, we started swimming. Jamie promised me that the job would get done before the summer was over, and he held to his words. And July 31st, when I saw that backhoe pull up, I was the happiest man around.
That's actually true.
Yeah. And then August 1st, they started the digging, and we were, like I said, we were swimming by August 10th or 11th, I believe, of the COVID year nonetheless. It went extremely smoothly. I can't tell you how happy I was with the guys working and how fast they got everything done, and diligently too, not just, you know, a rush job.
Overall, I felt like the experience was so smooth. And it was really something that we didn't need to be nervous about, but, and it was subdued. It was really quick.
Yeah.
And the guys were awesome. During the build, everything was going smoothly, and then when I saw the layout of the pool and where we originally planned to put the fireplace, which was my add-on to the project, I realized that I didn't want the fireplace on the edge of the pool on that side. And so what we did is we added additional patio to the center of the pool and put the fireplace there. And I'm so happy with that change, and that it was accommodated so smoothly. Like, there wasn't really any pushback, and we were able to repivot and do it. And now it's really such a focal point. Even like when we're looking at to the outside from the inside of the house, it's just, I love it.
I can't tell you how many compliments, you know, from the masons to the landscapers to whoever may come out. It's been fantastic. Our daughter's 21st birthday, we've had countless parties
Occasions,
here.
Yeah.
And honestly, this is our 4th summer that we've actually had the pool, you know, including 2020, and it's been the best thing I think that we've ever done back here.
Yeah, and our daughter's out of the house, but she lives in the city, and she comes home on the weekends and brings friends. So it's like, it brings them back too.
Yeah.
And they, you know, like, so on the weekend, this is their place where they come. And then the fireplace we use in the fall, in the spring,
Yeah.
even like we've had pretty mild winters, so that's
come
too
out
is
here
a
and
focal
just
point. We had a big Halloween
Party
bash
last year,
and
yeah.
everybody was huddled around the fireplace.
It was a
So
little chilly that night. So we've definitely, I guess, got our money's worth with this. So
yeah,
it's
we
great.
surely utilize
Yeah,
it.
we utilize it a lot. We were happy with the whole process from day one when I met you. You know, you came out, then when you drew it up on your computer and showed us the design, and then coming out to where we signed the contract. And then of course it was the COVID year, which I thank you for getting the pool in.
And 3 years later, look at us. We're, you know, we're still as satisfied as if the excitement
Yeah, I
from
feel like
day
it was,
one.
yeah.
You know, the excitement hasn't worn off, and the quality is top notch still.
Mike and Sandy, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate the kind words. If you're interested in a pool for your home, we'd be happy to help you. We service the Hudson Valley region of New York, which is primarily Orange, Dutchess, Ulster, Sullivan, Westchester, and Putnam counties. We dabble in the counties that touch that too. We'd be happy to help you. Just click the link below, fill out your name and information, we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Ring the bell. It helps tremendously. See you by the pool.